How to amend a tax return on Jackson Hewitt. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. In order to log into Jackson Hewitt, first of all, open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. On this page, you want to click on Login/Sign Up option, then click on My JH account. After that, on this login portal, you want to enter your username or email, then enter your password. After that, click on the Sign In option. Now, to amend a tax return filed through Jackson Hewitt, you will need to follow the IRS procedure for filing an amended return, which is going to involve filing out Form 1040X. First of all, you want to head over to irs.gov, then make sure to download the form from the tax year you are amending. You want to collect all documents related to your original tax return as well as any additional documents needed to support the changes you are making on the amended return. This may include W-2, 1099, receipts or other relevant paperwork. Fill out Form 1040X according to the instructions provided. You will need to provide details about your original tax return, the changes you are making, and the reason for those changes. Make sure to include any additional schedules or forms necessary to support your changes. Once you have completed Form 1040X, you can mail it to the IRS address specified in the instructions for your state. Make sure to include any additional documentation required to report the changes. After you have submitted your amended return, it may take some time for the IRS to process it. Make sure to keep copies of all the documents related to your amended return, including Form 1040X and any supporting document. This is going to help you in case there are any questions or issues with your amended return in the future. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.